Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Roblox unexpected client behavior problem. Easy and quick. If you want to fix it, it's easy. All you need to do first, just type here run, click on it, and once you're here type percent local app data percent, type it like that and click OK. Now scroll down until you find here Roblox and click on it. Now right click, select those three files, right click on it and click delete, and after that go to versions, and then once you're here right click and go to sort by and click date, select date here, and after that just you need to click on you need to select the file at the top. Here's it, click on it, and now go to app settings, right click on it and click delete, and after that just restart your PC and you will find that your problem is fixed. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.